Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update, and this automation was basically related to Google Sheet, and the new requirement was to select the columns dynamically from the sales sheet to transfer the data on the purchase list on the next available empty row. So let me show you. This is the new design. We'll be transferring these columns. Let me run this first, and then I'll make the changes so that I can show you the results. So let me show you, there is some data. Oh, no data in it. Okay, let me copy the data from another file. Okay, so here is the data. Now let me show you the purchase list. The next available empty row is on 29. So I'll click and shift the data. Obviously, when you are running this for the first time, this is going to ask you for the authorizations. I'm not hoping an error. Let's see. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's refresh the file and okay, let me refresh it from the browser. Have data in here. Now let's run it. Yep, looking fine. But we do not have any link addresses for the docs and PDF. Let me add some random. Undo to pull the data back. Okay. Okay, we have the data back. Let me put some random numbers in here. Doc1, PDF1. Let's pull the data down so that we have some random names on docs and PDF. Now, as you can see, these two columns are selected, and previously there was no data in these. So let's run the script again. And you can see from row 29, we have everything. Now I'm going to make some changes in these columns so that in case we don't want the stone or any other column. So we'll skip that from the controls tab. Okay, the data is back in the same sheet, and now I'll go to the controls. Let's suppose we don't want these few columns. We will take the initial two columns and the end two columns. Let me paste these names here for a while. Okay, so now this is going to take these two columns, and these two columns will always only get updated. And obviously, whatever the column you will select in here will also get clear. Only that column will also get clear. So the column we are not pulling in will not get clear as well, because we are hoping that once we are taking the entry from here to there, we'll be taking only the values where there are no formulas. So let's try this. First two columns and the last two columns. You can see the first two columns and last two columns. Let me undo it one more time. And now I'm going to select only the talks PDF. Let's delete these two as well. Let me copy these and run this again. And let's see if we have only these two columns. See, we have only the selected columns are getting transferred. And obviously those are in the next available empty rows in this salesperson sheet. Now I'll be running the whole system, and I'll show you that the columns are also getting clear. Let me paste in here as well. And let's stay on this sheet. This one is empty currently. You can see everything get clear because we have selected all of these columns, but still where there are some formulas, these columns will not get clear. But if there is any formula, any cell um, which doesn't have the formula, only that will get clear. Okay. So you can see everything is in here. And this sheet has got clear from here. Let me think about some other variation and give you another demo. Okay, so previously we were taking the column till column G. We were not taking this column which has a formula in here. So I'll be pulling the line total as well. But I'll show you if we are selecting the line total on the control tab, but that column is not available in here. Let's see what it does. So, oh, we have a line total in here. Okay, let's see if the line total will also get clear. So I'll be selecting the line total in here. Doesn't matter in which sequence you are selecting. So now let me sync this data and let's see. You see the line total data has been pushed in here, but the column will not get clear because this is a formula. So if you are pulling any column which has a formula and you are pulling those values from here to there on the purchase list, it's still the formula will not get disturbed. You will always have the formulas as it is in the weekend purchase sheet, sorry, weekend sales sheet. So yep, I think this is the extra thing I just wanted to show you, that you are not going to disturb. This code is not going to disturb any of your formula from the weekend sheet. Okay, so hope this is clear, and I'm making some undo so that you can select